What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Tech Product. If you want to protect your workspace and keep your gear steady, you need a great mat. Today, we are reviewing the top 5 best non-slip desk pad options available right now to upgrade your home office. Let's get started. Let's begin with number 5, the Yuwiiuuo non-slip desk pad. The Yuwiiuuo non-slip desk pad is a practical and stylish accessory that upgrades your workspace with a smooth, unified surface for your keyboard, mouse, and other items. This desk mat from Yuwiiuuo protects your desk from scratches, spills, and daily wear while providing a comfortable area for all your activities. It is versatile for every user and available in multiple sizes to fit different desks perfectly. Whether you are a designer needing a smooth drafting area, a craft enthusiast protecting your table, or a professional seeking a polished office aesthetic, this multifunctional mat serves as an ideal companion for various tasks. Easy to clean and maintain, you can simply wipe away dust, stains, or spills to keep your workspace looking professional. It works well as a desk mat for writing, crafting, or computing, offering both protection and versatility that makes it the ultimate all-in-one desk accessory. Beyond basic protection, this expansive desk pad mat helps organize your workspace by providing a defined zone for your laptop, monitor, keyboard, and accessories. Its sleek design complements any office or home setup, turning your desktop into a stylish and functional centerpiece. Made from premium materials, the large desk mat features a non-slip base that keeps it firmly in place. It stays flat and secure, offering reliable daily use without curling or shifting, whether you call it a computer desk mat or a desk mat for desktop. Overall, the Yuwiiuuo non-slip desk pad combines smooth surface comfort, strong desk protection, easy cleaning, versatile functionality, organized workspace benefits, and durable non-slip design into one practical and attractive accessory. It is a smart upgrade that enhances both the look and usability of your desk every day. Up next at number 4 is the Smead non-slip desk pad. The Smead non-slip desk pad upgrades your workspace with a perfect blend of elegance and functionality that makes daily work more comfortable and organized. This desk pad is expertly crafted from premium vegan leather and faux suede, giving it a sophisticated look and feel that adds style to any desk while remaining durable for long-term use. You can choose from 3 different sizes to perfectly fit your workspace. The largest option measures 36 inches by 17 inches, the medium is 31.5 inches by 15.7 inches, and the small size is 23.6 inches by 13.7 inches. No matter which size you pick, it serves as a spacious writing surface, a protective layer for your desk, a smooth mousepad, and a shield against scratches and daily wear. The faux suede non-slip backing keeps the pad securely in place during use, so it does not slide around when you are typing, writing, or moving your mouse. This stability helps you stay focused and productive without constant adjustments. The waterproof surface provides a smooth and comfortable writing experience while protecting your desk from spills, stains, and other accidents. It wipes clean easily, so maintenance stays simple and quick. The Smead non-slip desk pad combines practical features with an elegant design that elevates the entire look of your workspace. Its vegan materials, multiple size options, non-slip backing, and waterproof protection make it a thoughtful addition for anyone who wants a more organized, stylish, and functional desk setup. The quality construction ensures it stands up to daily use while adding a touch of sophistication to your home office or professional environment. Now, let's move on to number 3, the Afiing non-slip desk pad. The Afiing non-slip desk pad is a practical and stylish accessory that upgrades your workspace with a smooth and comfortable surface for all your daily tasks. This desk mat from Afiing is made of natural cork base and vegan PU leather, ensuring high quality and durable construction. The odorless materials provide a soft and comfortable texture that offers relief for your wrist, forearm, and elbow during long hours of work. Easy to clean, the premium leather desk mat is waterproof and oil-proof. You can simply use a cloth for basic cleaning of liquids, dust, grease, and dirt. A wet cloth works well if there is more dirt on the table mat. As a large mouse mat, it lets you say goodbye to small extra mouse pads. The comfortable resting surface can be used as a large mouse pad while writing, typing, and using the mouse. The special suede design on the back side increases friction resistance with the desktop and prevents your computer mat from sliding. This helps make your desk look tidy and professional. The multifunctional mousepad comes in several sizes, including 47 by 23.6 inches, 55 by 17 inches, 36 by 17 inches, 31.5 by 17 inches, and 24 by 14 inches. This supersized desk pad provides a smooth surface for writing, painting, and using your mouse, accommodating gamers, designers, and handcraft lovers. The non-slip and portable design features a non-slip backing that keeps it securely in place, eliminating any unwanted movement during use. Its lightweight and portable nature allows for office use, home use, or even travel. You can roll it up and take it with you wherever you go, ensuring a comfortable and convenient workspace. The smooth and comfortable surface supports smooth mouse movement, typing, writing, drawing, browsing, gaming, and long hours of everyday productivity. The extended desk mat size of 47.2 by 17 inches offers generous desktop coverage for your keyboard, mouse, laptop, monitor, notebooks, and workspace accessories while supporting modern multi-device desk setups. The dual-sided design features two different textures with natural cork on one side and high-quality vegan PU leather on the other, allowing you to choose the surface that best suits your work needs and preferences. Overall, the Afiing non-slip desk pad combines premium materials, easy cleaning, large comfortable surface, non-slip stability, portability, smooth usability, extended coverage, and dual-sided versatility into one practical and attractive accessory. It is a smart upgrade that enhances both the look and functionality of your desk every day. Just one step away from the top, at number 2, is the Ysagi non-slip desk pad. The Ysagi non-slip desk pad upgrades your workspace with a practical and comfortable surface that keeps everything in place and protects your desk from daily wear. The soft suede material on the backside provides excellent slip resistance, so the pad stays firmly in position when you are typing, using your mouse, or writing. Please note that this pad is designed for single-side use to maintain its performance. The durable PVC leather on the upper side makes it very easy to clean. You can simply wipe it with a cloth, and for tougher dirt, a wet cloth works well to keep the surface looking fresh and tidy. The wide surface measures 31.5 inches by 15.7 inches, giving you plenty of room to accommodate your laptop, mouse, and keyboard all at once. It serves as a comfortable resting surface for your hands while typing or writing, and it also functions smoothly as a mousepad for precise control. The Ysagi non-slip desk pad helps protect your desk from everyday wear. Its waterproof and oil-proof surface shields glass or wooden desktops from scratches, stains, and spills, making it ideal for busy workdays or creative projects. The quality materials ensure it stands up to regular use while maintaining a clean and professional look. Overall, the Ysagi non-slip desk pad combines functionality, comfort, and protection in one affordable package. Its thoughtful design helps create a more organized and enjoyable workspace where you can focus on your tasks without distractions from sliding accessories or messy surfaces. The simple yet effective features make it a smart choice for home offices, student desks, or professional environment. And our best overall choice at number 1 is the Aothia non-slip desk pad. The Aothia non-slip desk pad is a practical and stylish accessory that protects your desk while providing a comfortable surface for work and play. This desk mat from Aothia is made of durable PU leather material that shields your desk from scratches, stains, spills, heat, and scuffs. It also adds a modern and professional atmosphere to your office or home setup. The multifunctional design offers a smooth surface that is perfect for writing, typing, and browsing. Its size of 23.6 by 13.7 inches is large enough to accommodate your laptop, mouse, and keyboard, making it a versatile workspace companion. The special non-slip design on the backside increases friction resistance with the desktop by 70% compared to double-sided leather. This keeps the pad firmly in place during use and prevents unwanted movement. Waterproof and easy to clean, the premium PU leather protects your desktop from spilled water, drinks, ink, and other liquids. You can simply wipe it clean with a wet cloth or paper, making maintenance quick and hassle-free. Overall, the Aothia non-slip desk pad combines durable protection, a comfortable smooth surface, strong non-slip grip, waterproof convenience, and a modern professional look into one practical and attractive accessory. It is a smart upgrade that enhances both the functionality and appearance of your desk every day. Transform your workspace today and experience the ultimate comfort. Check the price link in the description to find the perfect fit for your setup. Please make sure to like and subscribe to Tech Product for more amazing reviews and gear guides.